So step 2 in the ideas process, which I lay out in my book, Outthink the Competition, is called Dissect. And it basically addresses this habit that's not helpful, that many of us naturally adopt, which is after we've come up with our strategic goals, we tend to look in the obvious places. If you've been trained in marketing, you naturally gravitate to marketing ideas. If you're in operations, it's naturally operating ideas. If you grew up in culture or HR, then naturally you look for people options. You give a child a hammer, everything looks like a nail. The simple 8-point framework can help you avoid looking in the obvious places. And I call this the 8 Ps. You're going to take these 8 Ps and dissect your business and identify which are the areas that are most ripe for disruption, for opportunity. And so the first one is positioning, which is about branding and core customer. The next is product, which is your core product or service. You could look for promotion ideas. How do we get people into the funnel? How do we get them aware? How do we get them to consider? How do we get them to try our product or service? Another one is pricing. What are our pricing models? How can we change our pricing models to create a competitive advantage? Another one is placement. How are we going to distribute our product or service? We could look at the physical experience of our product or service. We could look at processes, which are the operational processes and structures that we're going to use to deliver on the physical experience and deliver the product. And the final one, and I put it last, not because it's the least important, but because increasingly it's the most important, is people. Who do we hire? How do we organize? What are our cultural values? What are incentive structures? So here are 8 ways to dissect your business model. And you look at your challenge, you look at your business, positioning, product, price, placement, promotion, processes, physical experience, and people, and identify 2 or 3 of those that you particularly want to focus on now to find a disruptive growth strategy.